This 2025 Coachmen Entourage 340B is a Super CRV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Coachmen Entourage 340BHI is built on a 4x4 International CV515 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.